Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something truly special. The breathtaking 2026 Ferrari F80. This car isn't just another supercar. It's a statement of what Ferrari envisions for the future of performance, design, and innovation. From its futuristic styling to its mind-blowing performance, the F80 pushes the limits of automotive engineering in a way only Ferrari can. So buckle up, because we're about to explore this Italian masterpiece from every angle. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 Ferrari F80, the front end immediately commands attention. It's low, wide, and aggressive, sculpted for maximum aerodynamics. The headlights are razor-thin laser units integrated seamlessly into the hood, giving the car a predatory look even when it's standing still. The massive front air intakes channel airflow perfectly across the body to keep the hybrid powertrain cool, while the carbon fiber splitter looks like it belongs on a Le Mans prototype. Ferrari's signature prancing horse sits proudly on the nose, reminding you that this machine is built with racing DNA at its core. Every detail on the front is purposeful, not just for beauty, but for performance. Moving along the sides, the Ferrari F80 continues to impress with its fluid lines and aerodynamic profile. The car sits lower than most hypercars, with sharp creases and smooth curves that seem to merge speed and elegance into one. The doors are dihedral style, opening upwards to reveal the sculpted carbon fiber frame beneath. Large air channels cut into the sides help direct air toward the rear turbines, while the roofline flows like a river of carbon, tapering down elegantly towards the back. The F80 rides on ultra-lightweight forged alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 performance tires, and every inch of its side profile screams efficiency and artistry. Ferrari has clearly designed this car to slice through air with zero resistance and maximum grace. At the rear, things get even more dramatic. The 2026 F80 features an active rear wing that automatically adjusts for optimal downforce at high speeds. The taillights are thin LED strips integrated into the bodywork, emphasizing width and modernity. The twin exhaust outlets sit high and center, inspired by Ferrari's Formula One design language. There's also an enormous diffuser sculpted from carbon fiber, creating a race-ready aesthetic while improving stability at extreme speeds. Every curve, vent, and angle of the back end reflects Ferrari's obsession with both beauty and function. It's not just the car's rear view. It's a statement of dominance that demands respect from anything following behind. Stepping inside the Ferrari F80 is like entering the cockpit of a spacecraft. The interior blends luxury with pure performance intent. The cabin is minimalist yet wrapped in the finest Italian craftsmanship. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum dominate the space. The steering wheel carries Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing drivers to switch between driving modes instantly. The instrument cluster is fully digital, with a curved OLED display that provides real-time performance data, navigation, and telemetry. The seats are race-inspired buckets, contoured to perfection for both comfort and support during high-speed cornering. The center console is slim, housing only essential controls, and voice activation handles most of the infotainment functions. The driving position is perfectly balanced, low, focused, and driver-centric, giving you the sensation of being one with the car. It's not an interior that distracts you with luxury. Instead, it immerses you in control, purpose, and precision. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is nothing short of a technological marvel. Powering this beast is a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an advanced electric motor system, producing an astonishing 1,200 horsepower. This setup delivers mind-numbing acceleration, with 0 to 100 km/h, 0.62 mph, achieved in just 2 seconds flat. The top speed is reported to exceed 400 km/h, putting it in the realm of the fastest production cars ever made. Ferrari's engineers have optimized the car's aerodynamics, using active elements to adjust drag and downforce on the fly, ensuring stability even at extreme velocities. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with lightning precision, and the hybrid system offers instant torque for blistering responsiveness. On the track, it's an absolute weapon, and on the road, it delivers an experience that's raw, refined, and unforgettable. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start at around $3 million, depending on customization options. Each unit will be hand-built in Maranello, and production will be extremely limited, likely under 100 units worldwide. Ferrari has always kept exclusivity as part of its identity, and with the F80, owning one isn't just about money. It's about being part of a legacy of engineering excellence and automotive art. Buyers can choose from a range of bespoke options, from paint finishes inspired by Ferrari's racing heritage to unique interior materials and custom aerodynamic tweaks. As for suggestions, Ferrari could explore offering more accessible performance packages or limited hybrid-only modes to improve range for city driving. Though this car is built for speed, a slightly more refined comfort mode could make it more versatile for longer journeys. Additionally, introducing sustainable materials in the interior could be a forward-thinking move that aligns with the brand's modern hybrid vision. However, it's hard to find flaws in something so meticulously engineered. The F80 is less of a car and more of a passion project brought to life. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a leap forward for Ferrari, it's a leap for the entire supercar industry. It represents the perfect harmony between power, precision, and progressive technology. The design turns heads, the interior immerses you, and the performance redefines what's possible on four wheels. It's a celebration of Ferrari's legacy while pointing toward its electrified future. Whether you're a collector, a racer, or simply an admirer of automotive excellence, the F80 is the kind of car that reminds us why Ferrari continues to sit at the top of the automotive world. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Ferrari F80, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this over a Bugatti or a McLaren? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore another incredible machine redefining the future of performance.